Hi, this is Susana Molina from Mexports, and I'm here to show you our wine cabinet rack. This cabinet is 59 inches long and 12 inches deep. You can accommodate 16 wine glasses. Let me show you. They have the size of the glass, and you can put 8 bottles of wine, or you can customize to make it 16, or you just can do it a rack. So you name it, we listen. At the top is hammer copper on the natural finish. Okay. You can also order in this oxidized copper or wood, travertine, you name it. We are here to serve you. Thank you very much for watching.